Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to download OpenStreetMap data in shapefile format like LULC, roadways, places, buildings, etc. The maximum file size is up to 512 MB. You need to have a Gmail account. So write BBBike extract in Google. The first site you will get, click on that. Now move the map to your desired location. Suppose we want to download data from India. So we will first locate India. Okay. I want to download data for Bhopal. This is a city in Madhya Pradesh state. So you can choose the format from here. I am choosing shapefile. Name of the area to extract, that is Bhopal. Your email ID. Then click here to create a bounding box. See, a bounding box has been created here. So you can resize this. Just click on this and you can drag in, drag out. I want to download area for this extent. And extract. Click on extract. It will take around 2 to 7 minutes. You will get a notification on your email. You can monitor the status of your request in the service status page. Now check your Gmail account. We have received the mail. Now open the mail. Click on the provided link. Our data has been downloaded here. It is in zip format. I will extract here. You can add data. can add all the shape files. Suppose you want to see only the roads, you can see the road network. And if you want to see the railways are here. Suppose you want to see the places attribute also given. You can put on the labels also. See, see the road network. You can change the it's quite bright. Likewise, you can see the land use also. You can see the type from here. And accordingly, you can label it, change it, and you can change the symbology of the shapefile, and you will get the desired results.